778, let's fucking go. So down here in the pigtile function section, we have a helper function to create a square gradient. We have matters x, matters y, which is somewhere within this span, matters span. So 0 to this value minus 1, they are inputs, therefore they are prefixed with an I. If error checking is on, we're going to make sure that the xy coordinate is within the correct bounds. And then this is our output cute luminosity for our grayscale image. We'll do the math for the square gradient in another video, and then we're going to output that luminosity here. Here is the placeholder graphic creation code that we've been working on, and if we go down into our variable declaration, we have the index coordinate of mgx comma mgy, so the one-dimensional address of this. We take this, multiply it by 4 to get the component address, an alias to pix2048 where we're stamping our graphic called cutePix, and then the luminosity of our grayscale image we're going to stamp into the cutePix. So let's go down here. Okay, so right here, this I thought I was wrong, so I made a little footnote to make sure that I knew what the fuck I was talking about in this grab stamp location thing, and then loop through and stamp the pixels, right? So we're going to loop through every single pixel of our 32 by 32 glyph and stamp it into the 128 by 128 cube pixel region. So we're going to take this and we are going to globalize it to get mgx, mgy, and then we're going to convert it into a one-dimensional address, multiply it by 4 to get the byte address, and then way down here, we're going to write our binary pixel. So if the pixel is turned off, we're going to use a background square gradient with this helper function, and then otherwise, we're going to, the set bits are going to be rasterized using middle gray, and then right here is where we are putting that black and white image into the cube pixels. So we're going to take the byte address of our pixel, and then we're going to relatively offset to the correct color channel that we're encoded on. CI4, channel index of which there are 4. So 0, 1, 2, or 3 for red, green, blue, or alpha respectively. We will remove these errors once we actually hit these lines of code in production. And then what we did previously in source code, whatever, let's get the fuck out of here. I don't want to do this over again. You have been here. If you want a slower code review here, technical demos, source code, ways of getting a hold of me, like and subscribe. I'm the fuck out of here.